Yeah, so you may know in Japanese tobacco, we just finished implementation of the GBS. It took us last 3 years. And now we are about to move more to harmonization, automation journey. We actually have started already beginning of the year. So where we invest is process management, process improvement, all the automation techniques, improving our user experience with ServiceNow, creating more interfaces. So a lot of very exciting things, tools. We as well invested into invoice booking automation and many other things. So really a lot of going on in our investment portfolio, in our list of the projects to bring us what we call to the GBS 2.0, so the next level. Yeah, so we already did a big step evolution of the operating model during the pandemic because we were pushed to work from home. Now we can master that thing to master hybrid model, how we do remotely, how we keep that evolution going. And as well, I see GBS is more and more playing the role of doing something beyond traditional HR or finance. Like in our case, we do as well legal, marketing, sales, supply chain support. So many GBS organizations expanding to support multiple functions in the company. As well, many GBS organizations are and will be playing bigger role into digitalization, automation, and work hand in hand with IT. I think learn from others, it's the one. It's definitely many things have been done. Coming to conferences like this, working with your peers, connecting, learning from other people's mistakes, it's a perfect way to not do it yourself. And remember, it's a people business. All we do actually, it's working with people. Our customers are people, our employees. We don't produce any tangible thing, it's service, right? So don't forget, it's all about the people and relationship and ways of working together. Yeah. Has been a lot of inspiring sessions and making me think like, oh, maybe we should use this type of automation, or we should try to do some solutions. It was very good conversations on talent as well. I enjoy personally the most other companies sharing the journey, they learning what worked, what hasn't worked, comparing to my previous answer, right? To learn from others, not do my own mistakes. So definitely story of the Tesco, how they went to the journey to be the best GBS, talent conversations, change management, very interesting topics, how important it is when you implement anything new and on the daily basis. So far, very good. And I enjoy as well outside the room networking sessions.